Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks and preview for campaign 9 of 2020. And this campaign is our Mother's Day edition. And every year for Mother's Day, one of the things that we do is introduce our newest fragrance. And this year we have added to our Avon Flourish line, which debuted last year with the Honey Blossom fragrance. So this year we have the Peony Rose scent, and it's a beautiful light floral, has some water florals, peony petals, pink currant, which is a fruit, and sweet sheer musk. So it's not a really strong musky scent. It's a very light, just a hint of musk to kind of help bring out those floral scents. So just really pretty scent, really pretty bottle there too. Then we have our limited edition Mother's Day items, our Fresh Picks for Mom collection, with just some beautifully packaged items like these powder blushes that we have. We have some special limited edition shades in lipsticks and nail polishes. And I was so excited to have new nail polish colors. I had to get one. So in the nail enamel, and this is our gel finish nail enamel that has like a really nice high shine finish, and it dries really smooth. So like even my nails that have a bit of a ridge in them, the nail enamel dries nice and smooth. So this is the Enchanted Fig, that I got in this shade, and so did my manicure a couple days ago. And of course I topped it off with our gel finish top coat, which is great because that again helps keep up that high shine finish on the nail, extends the wear. I usually get a couple weeks out of my manicure, sometimes with just a little bit of a touch up, like I'll just throw on an extra coat to cover the tips and where it's kind of grown out. But nice, get a great wear off of it. It's very, very chip resistant. And I like that it dries pretty quick, so that like if I'm touching my nails or bumping them into things, I don't mess them up as easily as I used to. You also have this beautiful little compact, like all-in-one makeup compact here. Beautiful case itself, but it's got 12 eyeshadows, 2 lip glosses, 2 blushes, and 2 highlighters, all in one, complete with applicators and the mirror. So really, really fun set. Of course, our bubble bath is always a great deal. You get a nice, good, rich foam bubble for your bath, plus you don't have to clean off the tub from the ring afterwards. And for Mother's Day, we have a special pink Magnolia limited edition scent, which is we had last year also, and it did really well. And it's got the pretty packaging as well, that Mother's Day. And speaking of the pretty packaging, we have 2 of our mini hand creams. And I like to have these stashed all over the place, but I really like when I can have a nice pretty bottle, so that when I pull it out of my purse or I have it sitting on my counter, it's just a little extra something pretty around. So this is the silicone glove. We also have the Vitamoist. I will say silicone glove is my favorite. I go back and forth between that and the Moisture Therapy Intense Healing and Repair hand cream. But the thing I like the most about the silicone glove, especially at times when I might be washing my hands a lot, is that it actually, the benefits hold up through several hand washings. So you don't necessarily have to reapply every time you wash your hands. So I always recommend this to anyone who has to wash their hands a lot, like people that work in the healthcare field, childcare, teachers, people that deal with money, because money is really quite dirty. You got to wash your hands a lot. So you want to have a good hand cream there too. And I've also known a few people, and I've used it a couple times myself, for put it on before I'm going to do work where my hands are going to be getting really dirty, because it helps my hands to all of that excess dirt to wash off more easily. So the person who originally gave me that idea, she used it when she did her gardening, and her husband used it when he did his automotive work. He put the silicone glove on, and then when he went to wash his hands after he was done working on the car, all of the dirt and grease and stuff came off more easily. So nice to have the limited edition in the purse size, so you can tuck those everywhere. I mean, I keep them in my office, in my powder room, in my tote bag, in my car, by my bed. I keep hand cream everywhere, because you never know when you're going to have the need for some hand cream. So a couple of fragrant gift sets. So we've got the Haiku and the Far Away, 2 of our best-selling fragrances, with the full-size fragrance, the travel-size fragrance, and the body lotion, all in the pretty box. And we have the three-piece set of the Mattitude liquid lip color. And again, in the pretty little box with the nice soft floral print. So we have 3 shades. We have, and I've actually swatched all of them on my hands already. So we have, this one is Respect, which is the top shade here, which is kind of a pinky neutral, pinky beigey neutral there. We have the kind of warm pink or the peachy pink, which is Remarkable, just here in the middle. And then we have the Fun Pink in kind of the hot pink in the Rebel, and it's this bottom shade here. So they're all the Mattitude liquid lip formula, which is a nice soft matte. So you put it on and you don't really feel it. It really is soft on the lips. It doesn't dry and crack like some matte lip colors do. And it's got a great long wearing matte finish lip color. So these are limited edition shades. They're only available as part of this set here. So if you like those shades, you want to pick those up as part of the set, and they're great to have for yourself or to have for a gift. Let's see, I think that's all of the fun Mother's Day things. We do also have a fun new jewelry collection. It's our Colorfully Clear, and it has clear, blue, and purple stones in them. There's the necklace, bracelet, these kind of dangle earrings, a ring, and the ones I got to show were the hoop earrings, and these ones come in each of the 3 colors. The other, the ring comes in just the blue, and then the other sets come in the mix of colors with the bigger stones in the blue and clear and the smaller stone in the purple. I actually think it's a little bit more, it's kind of a soft pinky purple, almost like Alexandrite if you were looking for a gemstone equivalent. And they're in a gold tone setting. You can see these are nice, chunky, with the really big, pretty stones, and they would definitely be kind of a statement piece. Nice, fun collection there. Let's see, we also have a new A box in Campaign 9, and it continues that really pretty soft floral print on the box there. And it is a collection of the, Glimmer Sticks eyeliner in Emerald. That's a really pretty green shade, which is nice for a nice pop of color if you want to do a neutral eye look and then just do a nice color eyeliner for a little accent. You've got your Love It First Lash mascara, and let's see, I think that's the trial size, and that is actually our most popular mascara. It's kind of like it does it all. It thickens, it lengthens, and just a all-around favorite mascara. We have Mattitude liquid lip color in, it's in Ambitious, which is one of our existing shades, and then the Glimmer Shadow in Peach Sapphire, which is also a nice neutral shade. So that's a great little spring with the peaches and greens spring collection there. And of course, our A box is always only $10 with any $40 purchase from this brochure. So we have our little makeup musts sale flyer for this campaign, but actually the product I picked to feature is actually a fragrance, and it's 5 of our classic fragrances. These are some of our fragrances that have been around for a long time, and they've been customer favorites for many years. And you get the fragrance and the roll-on deodorant so that your deodorant will match your fragrance, and they're great sets for only $9.99 each. So normally when we have the classics fragrances on sale, just the fragrance, the cologne by itself is $9.99. So this is a great little bonus. It's like getting the deodorant for free. And then a little sneak peek at what's coming in Campaign 11 is we've been without a loose finishing powder for a while, and we're getting a new one. We're getting our Magick Dust, and it comes in 2 shades. So you've got a translucent medium deep and a translucent fair light. So there's 2 shades, and because they're translucent, they can be, they just need to be not necessarily an exact color match. And this is just for finishing over your foundation and the rest of your makeup. But I'll be sharing a little bit more about what makes the Magick Dust so great as a finishing powder. But that was the thing I was most excited about coming up in Campaign 11. So let's see, that's it. That's everything I have for you this campaign. Hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again soon.